os.path.dirname _file_ returns empty. I want to get the path of the current directory under which a py file is executed. For example, a simple file d:\test.py with code. It is weird that the output is I am expecting the same results from the getCould and path.dirname. Given os.path.abspath equals os.path.dirname plus os.path.basename, y returns empty.
Because os.path.abspath equals os.path.dirname plus os.path.basename does not hold. We rather have both dirname and basename only split the past file name into components without taking into account the current directory. If you want to also consider the current directory, you have to do so explicitly. To get the dirname of the absolute path, use
os.path.realpath_file_ return the abspath of the current script. os.path.split abspath 0 return the current dir.
Can be used also like that.
If you want to see more, please consider that